Do you know how most Bollywood films get the European touch without having to visit Europe? The secret lies in Goa, especially Old Goa, which serves as the perfect stand-in for Europe with its Indo-Portuguese architecture featuring some of Goa's best churches and chapels that have earned it a place on UNESCO's World Heritage List. Starting with Gumnam, a 1965 classic, scenes in the film were shot at the St. Augustine Tower in Old Goa. It is one of the oldest films to be filmed at this location. One of the directors who has consistently chosen Goa as a prime filming location is Rohit Shetty. End of Shetty's blockbuster film Singham was filmed at the Old Goa Square. The iconic church and convent of St. Francis of Assisi and the Sea Cathedral serve as backdrops in this thrilling sequence. In Dilwale, Shetty filmed some scenes in Old Goa, including a driving sequence that showcases St. Augustine Tower. Another notable Shetty film shot in Old Goa is Simba. The film includes sequences in which the protagonist drives through the streets of Old Goa with the beautiful churches in the background. The film Sing is Bling also showcased St. Augustine's Tower, the Church of Our Lady of Rosary, and other monuments during a car chase scene. Another significant location in Old Goa is the Our Lady of the Mount Chapel, perched on a hill overlooking the town. Known for its serene ambience and stunning views, this chapel has been used in several films for its beauty. In Golmaal 3, the chapel provides a breathtaking backdrop during a reunion scene between characters Pappu and Gutti. The chapel can also be seen in the movie All the Best, where characters are seen walking up the hill to pray. In Sanjay Leela Bansali's Guzarish, the chapel's elegant structure was reimagined as a mention through innovative set designs, adding to the charm of the place. The Basilica of Bom Jesus also appears in the film. Moving on to the song Hosanna from the movie Ek Deewana Tha that was shot in various locations across Goa, with Old Goa being one of the key backdrops. The sequence showcases the lead actor dancing through the streets of Goa with St. Cajetan's Church, the Ark of Viceroys, and the Church of Our Lady of Rosary framing the scene and enhancing the romantic vibe of the song. Old Goa continues to grace the silver screens. Its charm remains constant, which has cemented its place as one of Goa's most iconic destinations on screen. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gomantak Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa.